Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to see your liked videos on Pinterest. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Let's open the Pinterest app on our device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, I'm simply going to open a video and like it. I'll leave a like on this video. After liking it, go to your profile icon. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see a gear icon. Tap on it. Under Account heading, you will see Home Feed Tuner. Click on it. So, when you are on this page, make sure that Pins is selected right here and on this page. Now you can view all the photos and videos that you liked and viewed on Pinterest. As of right now, this is the only way to view the liked videos. There isn't a special page or section with only your liked videos. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.